Ethereum value equivalent to $2,208.66 a coin. The present exchanged cost range. $2,198.82, $2,231.97. The earlier day close. $2,227.14, which truly is genuinely critical. The change basically was 18.48, 0.83%. Converse rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum gauge for walk 2024 in an unpretentious manner. To start with, cost at $24.73. Exorbitant cost $28.75, while genuinely low cost $24.73. The normal for the month $2,627. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,687, change for spring 8.7%, in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at $26.87. Exorbitant cost $29.19, while genuinely low cost $25.37. The genuinely normal for the month $2,718 in a significant manner. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,728, change for April 1.5%, which is very huge. Ethereum gauge for May 2024 in an unpretentious manner. At the outset, cost at $27.28. Excessive cost $3,001, while low cost $26.09. The exceptionally normal for the month $2,786 in an especially huge manner. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,805, change for May 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. In the Ethereum gauge for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $28.33, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Exorbitant cost $31.28, while low cost $27.18. The normal for the month $2,901. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,923, change for July 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. First and foremost, cost at $29.23 incredibly. Exorbitant cost $31.34, while low cost $27.24. The normal for the month $2,928, in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $2,929, change for August 0.2%. Ethereum conjecture for September 2024, or so they especially thought. At the outset, cost at $29.29, which is very critical. Exorbitant cost $32.17, while low cost $27.97. The normal for the month $2,988. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,007, change for September 2.7% incredibly. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset, cost at $3,007. Excessive cost $36.60, while essentially low cost $3,007, which is very critical. The normal for the month $3,274, which generally is very critical. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,421, change for October 13.8%, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum gauge for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $34.21 amazingly. Exorbitant cost $37.02, while low cost $32.18. The especially normal for the month $3,450. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,460, change for November 1.1% in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $34.60, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Excessive cost $42.95, while low cost $34.60. The normal for the month $3,807, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,014, change for December 16.0%, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Ethereum estimate for January 2025 in a significant manner. In the first place, cost at $40.14. Exorbitant cost $43.75, while low cost $38.03. The truly normal for the month $4,070. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,089, change for January 1.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else, cost at $40.89. Excessive cost $45.51, while certainly low cost $39.55. The normal for the month $4,212. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,253, change for February 4.0%. Ethereum figure for WOC 2025. Initially cost at $42.53, which is very huge. Exorbitant cost $52.78, while low cost $42.53, which is very huge. The by and large normal for the month $4,679, which is very huge. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,933, change for spring 16.0%, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at $49.33 in a significant manner. Excessive cost $54.70, while pretty low cost $47.54. The normal for the month $5,067. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,112, change for April 3.6%. Ethereum gauge for May 2025, which is genuinely critical. Initially cost at $51.12. Excessive cost $51.12, while pretty low cost $43.99. The normal for the month $4,838. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,730, change for May 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. At the outset cost at $47.30. Excessive cost $58.71, while especially low cost $47.30. The normal for the month $5,205. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $5,487, change for June 16.0% in a significant way. Ethereum gauge for July 2025, which explicitly is very critical. Initially cost at $54.87. Excessive cost $54.87, while low cost $42.86, or so they explicitly thought. The especially normal for the month $4,967. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,609, change for July 16.0% in an especially significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $46.09 in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. Exorbitant cost $46.09, while low cost $36.01. The extremely normal for the month $4,173, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,872, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at $38.72 amazingly. Excessive cost $38.72, while low cost $30.24 in a very huge manner. The genuinely normal for the month $3,505. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,252, change for September 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025.